Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this tablet. So before we get started, we'll need to grab one thing, which is a cable. I'm gonna plug it into your computer and have it ready. Actually, you can actually already plug it in. There we go. Now as you can see, it literally does nothing for me. I don't know why, because I know it actually is working. So normally it should show me that it's charging, it is plugged in. Without it, you won't be able to boot into recovery mode, so we do most certainly need it. Though, like I said, I don't know why it's not showing up that it's doing anything. So you just have to trust me that it is plugged in. Anyway, from here we're gonna pull down the notifications, select our power options right here and select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. You'll see Samsung and then Galaxy, at which point you can let go of the keys. If you hold them too long, it will boot into the recovery mode, and when you let go of them at that point, it will accept release of power key as a press down for some stupid reason, and then because the default selection is reboot system now, it just leaves this automatically. If that happens to you, immediately start holding the keys again and just try to let go of them before you boot into recovery mode. Anyway, from this mode, using volume keys to navigate, you want to scroll down and have wipe cache partition selected. Press power key to confirm it and select yes. And you'll see at the bottom, last thing is cache wipe completed. It's almost immediately visible. And additionally, reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power key once again, and this will now take you back to Android. And last thing, we can also unplug the device. The cable is not needed anymore. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.